Hubgrade is a new smart digital solution that can be used to remotely display, assess, and optimize the management of water, waste, and energy resources. By grouping data with analysis and human expertise, this unique and innovative approach creates new opportunities for working with our clients to manage operational and environmental services. Hubgrade is built around 3 families of high added value services: Connect, Support, and Improve. Connect. We create a link with our clients and give them access to information. With Hubgrade Essential, we continuously display, assess, and monitor quality of service, providing clients with a dedicated portal. With Hubgrade Awareness, we make the information gathered accessible and understandable to all. With Hubgrade Store, we facilitate online purchases, sales, and order tracking for products and services. Support. We support and advise our clients on dealing with their operational problems. With Hubgrade Assist and our network of experts, we help run their installations remotely. With Hubgrade Asset Management, we monitor the status of these installations, providing advice and expertise to ensure optimal long-term yields. With Hubgrade Crisis Management, we identify any problems that may arise and support our clients during their crisis management process, helping them to achieve a return to normal. Improve. We improve the operational and environmental performance of our clients' equipment and infrastructures. With Hubgrade Performance, we identify levers for optimizing operation with lower operating costs. With Hubgrade Footprint, we calculate and improve the environmental impact of the services delivered. Intelligent and digital, human and technological, Hubgrade is Veolia's response to the challenges of the 21st century and a guarantee of improvements to our clients' financial and environmental performance. Hubgrade is the future of Veolia today.